Hello friends and hello besties and welcome to another episode of Hashtag Josh Aragon Recommends. Dito lang yan sa aking mga social media accounts at make sure naka-follow kayo. So guys, in this video, meron naman po tayong babasahin na comment from our follower dun sa ating video sa ating hotel room tour dun sa Bayfront Hotel. Okay, as sabi niya is, Bongka, saan ka nagstay during your Sinulog weekend? So ito na yon. Guys, nagstay kami ng 3 hotels at isi-share ko yun sa inyo. Ito na. First is yung etong Bayfront Hotel Cebu Capital Site na ma-rate ko as 10 out of 10 for me since napakalapit niya lang sa lahat ng attractions and marami amenities for their guests. Next is the Casa Boutique Hotel na ma-rate ko as 8 over 10 since medyo may kaliitan yung rooms nila but the ambience is perfect for business travelers. And lastly, nag-book kami through Airbnb sa Ayala Tower in Cebu IT Park na ma-rate ko as 10 out of 10 for me since madaming amenities yung room and malaki siya, malinis at higit sa lahat, mabait yung owner ng unit. So besties, yun lang mga hotels na pinag-stay namin during our Sinulog weekend. If you want to book this hotel guys, ilalagay ko guys sa baba sa description box para kung gusto nyo mag-book, okay? If you want more of this, hashtag Josh Aragon Recommends, kindly follow me on all my social media accounts. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!